Hello guys, don't mind my face, it's super early in the morning, but we are leaving Sweden in this beautiful Airbnb. We're so sad about it, but the whole house is pretty much cleaned. We took all of our stuff, we did put things to where they belong, and now we're leaving, but I don't want to leave this beautiful view. Look at that. Oh, my hoodie got stuck. Okay. We are leaving this and it's such a beautiful day. It's sad, but we are going to Denmark, which is also exciting, so it's just time to say goodbye. Are you sad about leaving Sweden?
I am, but I'm excited to see Denmark more.
Yeah. Sad about leaving Sweden?
Yeah. Listen to the birdies, they're telling me to stay.
Yeah. Paul, are you sad about leaving Sweden?
Yeah, I want to come back.
Me too.
Yeah.
I want to show you real quick. This is our house from the front. This is the beautiful neighborhood where we are. Everything is like so calm and nice. Just love how everything looks. So peaceful. Okay, now let me show you the house, because the Airbnb was awesome. As soon as you enter here on the right, you had this little entrance area with the first bathroom. This is the small one, teeny tiny. Oh, hello, it's me. A nice area where you can put your shoes and stuff. Laundry room with Rachel. Then here we have the studio. That was fantastic. Honestly, if I was living in this house, I would love to have this as a studio. Also a cellar with wine. How fancy, right? So this is the main living area downstairs pretty much. So open area with the kitchen. The kitchen had everything that you could think of. Every kitchen tool, they had it. Living room that was lovely, always so bright and nice, with super comfortable couches and chairs, and the beautiful outside area. I think that you can call this a porch, correct me if I'm wrong, but yeah, we didn't do any barbecue because the weather most of the time was not wonderful, but yeah, this is outside area that was lovely. Honestly, I wish that I could live in this house. I'm not even joking when I say that. Here we have the big bathroom with this massive bathtub. Like, guys, it was so big. I took a bath and yeah, I was small compared to it. It was lovely. And that's me again. Hello. There was also a shower, and this is the first bedroom. This is mine, actually. Oopsie over there. Yeah, lovely. On the side there were two closets, probably. I think they were both closed, so I don't know. This was also another closed door. Let's go upstairs where we have more bedrooms. Dun, dun, dun. All right, so this is the first. Oh yeah, the first thing that you see upstairs is another small living room. Cute. This is the first bedroom. It was simple but clean, and which we like. This was probably the nicest bedroom upstairs. You even had a couch. You had everything that you could possibly ask. And the one here is oh yeah, we're going in here. So this is the last bedroom. It was a double one. Very cute, very girly. We like that. Pretty spacious. The only thing is that the second bed wasn't the best thing ever, but we made it work. And the coolest room in the whole house, the music room. That was such a nice surprise. We loved seeing that. Last but not least, I wanted to show you this amazing small beach that we had. 5 minutes walking distance from the Airbnb. You had to go through a very small piece of wood, and this was the view. The colors were just gorgeous. I think that I fell in love with Sweden when I visited this lake. It was just perfect, and this was probably like 10-11 a.m. Yeah, just gorgeous. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna see you guys real soon here on YouTube or over on Twitch. Bye!